This is going to be the recording of the ruination of the Les Claude de Moules.
The French wish they had this.
Yeah, right. When you're gritting.
Oh!
No, watch it.
Keep your distance.
How hot was that, Pierre?
You are going to be so sorry you did this.
No, he has to get that stuff off. We don't want to eat it.
You're going to be eating it inside them.
Really? I can't believe this is the best part. What Dave charge you for these?
Well, one of them is his. I'm going to bring it back to burn up.
Yeah,
guess
bring
you
him
are.
this one.
Well, that's the only sign of a good
Yeah.
bowl.
It's been used.
Oh,
God.
they don't look like they're cooked.
Off down
Ah!
here.
What?
That was April 1st. That was 5 days ago.
They have to be cooked. No, they're cooked. They just.
They're just not too hot. I mean, this is not.
They're not. They're
No,
sort
they're
of lukewarm when you eat them.
Cool.
They're not particular. They're not cooked. You know, like.
This is great.
They're
So
perfectly
exciting.
done.
Okay. Well, then let's.
Okay,